Meet Carol and Bruce. They want to buy their dream home, but searching online for the home of their dreams didn't work. They want to find their way home, a place where they can truly belong, a place to create new memories, a place to be truly happy. So, Carol and Bruce turn to Maunika Haftavani. Carol and Bruce search out someone honest who they can trust. They want someone who can understand their vision of a perfect home, because home is so much more than a structure. It is a place where you can live loose and just be you. Carol and Bruce, they found a perfect place, a home of their dreams. Maunika helped Carol and Bruce to find their way home. And now it's your turn. It is time to make your way home. Give Maunika a call today at 818-437-3308 to find your dream home and to know more about the great incentive program he has to offer you. Email maunika@theartinrealestate.com.